Welcome, in front of me is HP ZBook Firefly 14, and in this video I will show you how to enable on-screen keyboard on your laptop. To do that, if your physical keyboard on the laptop is available, you can use a shortcut of Windows Ctrl-O. This way, if you press all of these three buttons together, you can enable the on-screen keyboard feature, and this will open up this floating keyboard on your screen. You can reshape and resize it any way you want, and when you're done you can simply close it. And if your physical keyboard is unavailable and you don't have an external one, you can also enable this keyboard by going into Start menu, then Settings, then selecting Accessibility, then scrolling down until you see the keyboard feature, and then just enable the on-screen keyboard feature right here. The other option for you would be to go into Personalization options, then select Text in, then select Taskbar, and then change the touch keyboard option to Always. And as you can see right now, the touch keyboard appears on the taskbar, and if you double tap on it once, it will appear on your screen, and you'll be able to use it just like a normal keyboard. And that's all the ways to enable on-screen keyboard on your PC. So if you like this video, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.